Hi guys, this is Beth from Yesmining. A lot of beginners ask me, solo miners have such low hash rate. It's like a lottery. Is it just a waste of money? Today, let's talk straight. Is it your first real ticket into Bitcoin or just a bad bet? First, understand what you are buying. It is a probabilistic game. You are not buying guaranteed income. You are buying a continuous chance to find a block. So, is it worth it? Yes, if your goal is low-cost learning and experience, or if your goal is a serious long-shot bet with higher hash power. For the experienced tier, check this out and a miner. It's a DEX clock and Bitcoin toy. Or this BitX Grammar 601, your lowest barrier entering to run the protocol yourself, stably and quietly. Now, for the performance tier lottery players, look here. For cutting-edge looks and efficiency, this liquid-cooled Nerd QX++ 6.1 is a cyberpunk art piece for a desk. The Nerd Octex 9.6 is about pure hash rate for the dedicated home miner. These aren't toys. They come from real R&D and proper production lines. This means reliability support and a real community behind them. So a solo miner isn't a scam. It's an honest game of probability. Your first miner shouldn't be all in bad. It should be the key helps you understand this industry. Define your goal. Choose based on your budget. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.